I have some 2 minutes. We were anticipating to have a small talk through Jprc, but Ndonga is not there. And having been a member of Jprc also for some time, through their elder, I've been given this opportunity to just speak about something that has happened in the course of this week. We all know that this week on Friday at around 1:30, we got breaking news that there is a law that had been passed by the Supreme Court. And that law entails that we have members of our community, citizens and human beings like me and you, who were advocating for the liberalization of same-sex marriage. I know you have heard of that. For the last 11 years, we have had a protracted court battle that started with the LGBTQ advocating to be registered so that they can be recognized in our country. And we all know very well that the penal code of this country states very well that carnal knowledge of people of the same gender is a crime. But now, last week, after 11 years, the Supreme Court passed a law that now recognizes that they have a right to an association. They had launched for this advocacy 11 years ago because they wanted an umbrella organization to be registered to fight for the rights of the gay people in Kenya. We know these are challenging times. We are fighting hunger, we are fighting drought, we are fighting cultural retrogressive practices, and now again we have this. So what that means is that they have now been given a right to associate. And when they have been given a right to associate, it means that is a recognition of some form. And what does that entail? It entails that now, as a family institution, it is being threatened. Marriage was sanctioned and ordained by God in heaven through Adam and Eve. And that is why it has gone up to where we are. We are all products of marriages between a man and a woman. I know as Africans, sometimes or most of the time, we have a taboo on talking about sex or about sex. But where we are now, we are all parents. We are all grandfathers, grandmothers, guardians. Please, let us take this opportunity to guide our children. Because we know the law of the land might be supreme, because we cannot appeal a supreme decision. But we know the law of the Lord supersedes the law of man. Bwana asifiwe. So at this particular moment, even when we come to church and we pray and we fellowship together and we extend the agape love that is there, or brotherly love, we still live on this earth that has challenges. And we have to face these things. We pray to God to give us wisdom so that we can be able to face. Please, brothers and sisters, brethren, fellow Christians, congregants, I'm calling upon you. Let us continue praying so that this thing that is coming to distort and to be able to take our family values away, God who is in heaven is supreme, and he'll be able to give us a lasting solution that we look upon him and say that glory be unto him. Thank you so much. God bless you.